We are a media that is specialized in course guidance for students, both in high school and higher education. The thing that is special about Thotis is that we are a fully digital media. And the most special thing that we did was creating some AI agents, specific AI tools that can give you some custom information about what you can do according to your profile and your situation. So month after month, we noticed that our audience was growing to the point that we realized we needed help in order to help our audience. Course guidance is a very specific subject. Each situation is unique. Each profile and each path is unique. So you need some personalized and custom advice. We wanted to use Chatbase because it gives us the opportunity to give some very specific inputs and very serious data and information. So we created this kind of constellation of unique, personalized AI agents that have one purpose and can help you on one specific subject. This is the reason why we wanted to go with Chatbase, because we have access to a very large number of different AI agents with a certain flexibility, which means that we can improve, update our AI agents to give the best information we can. The thing is that AI isn't going anywhere. We have to incorporate it in our daily life. And AI can adapt, can be used in any way possible. I think infrastructures like Chatbase really enable us to learn how to control AI and to set up a certain limit without letting AI take control and hallucinate and go over the limits. These AI agents are kind of scattered around our website. The next step is going to build an infrastructure, some kind of hub, in which all users will have access to the AI tools relevant regarding their profile and their experience. And the concept will be to make this hub evolve with the users as they proceed throughout higher education.